If you're a fan of passive income, the three cryptos that I'm going to tell you about right now are the ones that you should buy and invest in to produce the highest rate of return if you like the crypto Solana. I'm going to explain to you how this works. Basically, within the crypto world, there is another ecosystem known as DeFi, which stands for Decentralized Finance. Decentralized Finance basically is replicating everything that we know of in the traditional finance world. However, it's doing it with crypto. And one of the things that the DeFi world replicates are what's called exchanges. For example, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, these are all centralized exchanges. However, there are also decentralized exchanges. If you like Solana, and you are willing to pair it with these three coins that I'm going to give a list to you right now. For example, one of them is Profit, one of them is QTO, one of them is called Kenya right now. Basically, what you do is, if you own Solana and you're willing to buy another coin by the name of Profit, you can own both of those coins and provide it to a decentralized exchange, for example, like Raydium. Raydium is basically a DEX, a decentralized exchange built on the Solana blockchain. If you own Solana and you own Profit, you take them both and in essence lend it to this decentralized exchange. Every time someone comes to trade Profit for Sol or Sol for Profit, they pay a fee to the Raydium exchange. When they pay that fee, Raydium will share part of that fee income with you, because without you, they wouldn't have been able to accommodate that trade. Because Raydium doesn't own any crypto, they use what's called liquidity providers. That's exactly what I've been doing for the last 4 years. And I actually train people and teach people how to do this one-on-one in a private mentorship. That's not good. That's not right for everyone. The private mentorship is good for you if you've got at least $10,000 or $15,000 to invest, if you want to really maximize your returns. If you want to learn how this process works, I have a do-it-yourself course as well that you can get. All you have to do right now is comment Solana. I'll send you a free case study. If you like the free case study, the next page after the free case study, when you look at it, there'll be an option on there for you to get access to the course that you can buy today. If you start today, within 4 hours, you could be earning more crypto on a semi-passive basis. And I say semi-passive because nothing is fully passive. You've got to do just a little bit of work. I'm talking 5, 10, 15 minutes a week. That's it. If that's something that you're interested in, comment Solana. I'll send you the free case study right now.